Greetings travelers and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great today. So in the previous video we talked about how the alien dragons arrived on Krynn, changing the world completely. Now let's continue with the War of the Souls. Takhisis laid low for decades after her act of the world theft. But during that time, she worked her influence over her prize. A necrotic barrier surrounded Krynn, forcing the souls of those who died to stay trapped on the mortal plane, denying access to the afterlife. Takhisis threatened to prolong their torment unless they steal magic for her, enough that she might regain her former divine strength. To promote this, Takhisis passed among the mortals and taught them how to access the ambient magic of the world, both as sorcery and as the power of mysticism. Dragons, as living furnaces of magic themselves, were able to key to her plan. The dragon purge and the gathering strength of the overlords gave Takhisis even more magic for her trapped souls to leech. She even lured the gold and silver dragons as well as many of the brass, bronze, and copper worms with the siren call that trapped them on the one pale moon that was shining above the displaced Krynn. Takhisis chose not to bring dragons into her confidence this time, instead investing her growing energies into a willing body of Mina, a mysterious shipwreck survivor who had been raised in the Citadel of Light. Mina's true nature was not revealed until much later, but at the time she was the one god's bright prophet, a messianic figure who appeared to return true magic into the world. Mina gathered the remnants of the Dark Knights under the banner and won several major victories over the free people of Ansalon. It was Mina who delivered Takhisis' punishment to Lord Suth and to the wounded blue dragon overlord Kalandras, who fell before her. She used Kalandras' own breath weapon against him and killed him with it. As the heroes of the New Age fought desperately to respond to Mina's conquest, the Green Overlord Braille was killed in Quellenesti, and the Red Overlord Malistrix flew to Sanction to confront Mina directly. Malistrix came close to overwhelming Mina, but the young commander had her one god support, and Malistrix fell broken upon the conquest. It seemed as if the one god will triumph. In display of unity and independence against the sheer power of Takhisis, both good and evil dragons came together to oppose her incarnation in Sanction. Takhisis' plan involved gathering the skull totems of the fallen overlords and an alignment of magic, trapped souls, and the heavens to manifest herself. The good dragons were freed by the timeless Kender Tesselhoff, and the mage Rislin Majer provided the gods with the means to locate Krynn once more. Takhisis' skull totem was rendered inept, and she herself was made mortal thanks to Paladine's sacrifice. The one god died in Sanction, run through with a DragonLance, and the War of the Souls was over. And that, my dear friends, is the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed that small tidbit about the War of the Souls and the dragons part in it. And we will see you in the next one, so have a lovely day.